One thing that really drew me into GEI as a company and the industry as a whole is the opportunity to do real tangible work every day and see that impact of the work that you do.
Working on a variety of projects in a bunch of different phases has given me exposure and allowed me to learn all about the land development industry as I've been able to see projects progress throughout their life cycle.
I've always been curious about how environmental consulting relates to community well-being and environmental retention. At GEI, I get to work on real projects that show me how this happens. I started with onboarding and my HAZWOPER training, and then I got to help with things like organizing environmental data, supporting flood research mapping, and going into the field for monitoring well work and sampling support. What surprised me most is how much variety there is.
I feel I've gotten to experience a huge wide range of the different elements of this industry, from field work to office work, the various stuff you're doing even in those two categories. You're never really doing the same thing day to day. It's one thing to learn in the classroom, and then being able to come here and apply that work every day into real problems in the real world has been an amazing opportunity.
I chose to come to GEI because I really wanted a great exposure to environmental projects, and I was really excited about that opportunity here.
One thing that I really loved about the internship program here at GEI is that there were lots of opportunities for me to gain hands-on experience in the field, or even in report writing. I was working on actual material, which made me feel very much involved and seen, and even like I was making an impact as an intern.
I really was interested in working at GEI because it falls in line with my career aspirations as a water resource engineer, the best feeling about the company, and so I ultimately chose and decided to go forward the position, and now here I am as a summer intern under the water resource engineering group and working out of the Plymouth office.
The strong office culture is definitely what surprised me the most when I started working at GEI. It makes working very enjoyable when everyone's so friendly and social. Our office often has barbecues every couple of weeks, and we're also all in a softball league against other engineering companies in the area.
A lot of the work on the environmental team is super collaborative. We all support each other, especially when we know there's a varying degree of experience on this team, and so a lot of the time, whether we're working on a report or out in the field, we're always going to have each other's backs. If we need help, we'll be there to support one another.
So my team definitely works close together. We share lots of information, and especially helping each other with knowledge gaps, whether in report writing or in the field. We're definitely there for each other to support and as well as fill in any needs that can't be provided by one person.
My internship experience has definitely not been boring. I've been constantly working on projects and often being given new tasks that I haven't worked on before, which allowed me to learn a lot and made this whole experience very worthwhile.
It's a very interesting way to learn more and get involved in real projects.